Beckham was born August 1st, 2007 in Des Moines. About an hour after he was born, they noticed that he wasn't breathing correctly and he had a heart murmur. So they transferred Beckham to another hospital in Des Moines, and they gave us little hope that he would live.
The valves of his heart had grown into the heart wall. There was very little blood flow, and so he was having a hard time maintaining oxygen throughout the body.
We kept looking at him and we couldn't believe that he was that sick, but you could absolutely see as the days progressed that he was very, very sick and didn't have much time without a new heart. 5 days after he was born, they transferred him up to the University of Iowa Children's Hospital by light flight and immediately placed him on the heart transplant list.
I just remember mostly the meeting we had with Dr. Edens, where he went through and he explained transplantation, he explained the chances of getting a heart, he explained what would happen if we did get a heart.
He had a number of things that we did for him in the ICU, including medications to help his heart. He was on a ventilator for some of that time, and just general ICU support was required. Fortunately, he was very lucky, and we were very lucky with him, and he got a heart within a couple of weeks after listing him for heart transplant.
Dr. Davis and the team did the surgery, and then they brought him up, and for the first time since he was born, he was pink rather than blue.
I stayed in the hospital with Beckham for a month, and he did fabulous. I mean, I can't describe how well he did. He just took to everything. He even ate without a feeding tube, and he nursed, and he was just perfect. You know, he didn't seem to be set back at all from his sickness.
He's running around. If you didn't know that he had any sort of health problems prior to seeing him, there's no way you could know. He's a happy, healthy, hyper little boy.
I got really close with a lot of the nurses because I was there for so many months, and they would just come and become my friends. And I'm just so grateful that they were so loving to me, not just to my little boy. I love the child life and the music therapy program. They were so wonderful. Music therapy would come and sing to him, and it was such a perfect little distraction. He was so sweet about it. We felt really privileged that we were able to have his care here.